So you guys are walking back to the middle? You going that way? You guys, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And look at my beautiful young ladies behind them. This is Tokuba. There you go, girl. I love that. Working, working, working. Look at her starting. All right. Thank you, girls. You can stay for a second. And here is Toya in this beautiful outfit. Please give her a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, girls. All right. Thank you. They look beautiful. This hair tie that Surya has on is called the Sego. It's the easier hair tie to put on. They look beautiful. There you go. They're working their stuff. Look at Surya. She was nervous, but now she's working it. Working, girl. Thank you. Please give them a huge round of applause. And coming up next is Odu'a Organization in this Kembe Asho kid. This is the old style. You go, boy. That is beautiful. I love those pants. They're called those Kembe. And behind him is Michael. Come on, Michael. Thank you very much. Now go run and get into your last and final outfit. Just, come on, girl. There you go. There's our gorgeous smile. Turn around. Woohoo! And here's my second model coming out. All right, girl. Look at you. Working. Woohoo! Let's give her a huge round of applause. You are beautiful, my darling. You are beautiful. And behind her is Toya. Come on, girl. Work it. Come on. Isn't she beautiful? Yeah. A round of applause, please. A round of applause. Okay, I have an extra model. Go, girl. Wow. That's the supermodel of the evening. Come on, girl. Beautiful. Please give her a huge round of applause. Thank you, my darling. Come on. Now, right here. And next we have one of the gentlemen coming up. Please clear the aisles for my model, please. Come on, Odu'a. Work it. Come on, boy. You're supposed to dance. Come on. Huh? There you go. All right. Come on. That is a gorgeous outfit. Gorgeous outfit. Come on. Great job. Please applaud them. Give them a big round of applause. And my next model coming up. This is Alasia. Come on, girl. Isn't that gorgeous? All right. They're supposed to dance. This is our grand finale. I can't hear the applause. Woohoo! Next model. The next model is still getting ready. They look beautiful down there, ladies and gentlemen. And our next model is Adebayo. Adebayo, I keep saying, wow, where's the dance, boy? What's the dance? Great job, Bayo. And the next model, this is Surya. Beautiful outfit here. There you go. Break it down, girl. See, all that nerve is gone. Isn't that beautiful, ladies and gentlemen? Where's the applause? I need an applause for that. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All right. And our next model, we need the aisles cleared. Come on, models. Come on. Who's the next person? Oh, I think they decided to come down together. Where's the dance? I need to see some dancing. All right, now. They got to see that you know the music. Break it down. Break it down. And this is Ebony and Gudita. Beautiful. And of course, Adelayo Akitawa. Now, a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for my beautiful and handsome models. Once again, I can't hear you. They have worked very hard. Thank you, guys.
Vice President. This did not go well with many of the people, but then he has done it because he was given the opportunity to choose who will be his vice president. And the reason why the organization was started was that we knew at that time that we may not be going back to Nigeria. And we had children that we know that if we don't tell them anything about where we came from, they may not know, because we are not going to be here forever. That was why the organization was started. And then I, apart from being the first vice president, I was the first teacher of the school. I was the one who was doing everything, while some of the fathers were looking for money. Every time I go from house to house collecting children to teach them. But I'm happy that they all turned out to be well. Even two of my children who went to Wayne State, Mr. David Williams gave them letter that they study Yoruba as a second language, and the professors, they accepted it. So, and all of them were doing well. I said, Dr. Lang chose me to be his vice president, but midway during his presidency, he left for Nigeria and he left me as the president. That's why I became the second president. And
Come on. There you go.
Chief Owenu and Professor Andrew to the dance floor. Oh yeah, now. Professor Chilechukwu is waiting on you. Oh yeah. Correct. Oh yeah. Correct. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah.
Now we're talking. There we go.
That is the song for the boys.
For the senior boys.
For the senior boys. Senior boys are the senior joints. Oh yeah. David Williams, organizer, Tokoju Owo, Odu'a, strong member. Oríkì yẹn mi ò gbàgbé o, mo tọ́jú ẹ̀ náà ni o, kó sẹ́ńpẹ́. Correct. Okay, we want to switch. Thank you very much. Mr. Moses, this money to